I started modeling with no connections, no industry background, and while doing full-time college. To be honest, looking back, I still don't believe how did I manage it, but it was all worth it. When people see my photo shoots, campaigns, and modeling work, they often think that this is very simple. You just have to, pose yourself and then that's all it takes. But the truth is, there's a lot happening behind the scene. When I started modeling, I was still in college. At that time, my life was full of lectures, assignments, college, and works, shoot, campaigns, etc. etc. There were days I would spend a whole day in college and then rushing for a shoot in the evening. There were days when I was tired, overwhelmed, and was constantly thinking whether I could manage all together. And on top of that, I had no connections in this industry, no relatives in this field, no contacts, no shortcuts. I was just a regular college student trying to figure out how I could reach to the dream of my life. So I took one single step at a time. Every opportunity had to be earned. Every audition was a new challenge because I was all new to this industry. Every rejection was a lesson. There were times when rejection used to feel very, personal, but then I got to know it is all about the perspective and what the client needs. It is all subjective, and you just don't have to be like, oh my god, if I got rejected, I lack in something. No, it's not like that. It's just what they want. People often ask me how did I manage it all together, the college and modeling and all of that. So the simple answer is my parents believed in me. Even when the path was uncertain, they knew my potential, they trusted me, they supported me, they stood beside me when the times were hard, when I just had a vision. I know not everyone gets that support, but I am really grateful for what I have and won't be taking it for granted at all. One thing modeling taught me is there's a lot of things in this industry which normal people have no clue about. It is not just about looking good into the camera, but it is about the confidence, the discipline it takes to, stand for yourself and be punctual and learning how to keep going even when the things don't work out. This industry has changed me, but it also helped me to grow in ways I never expected. I have become more confident, more independent, and much more comfortable stepping out of my comfort zone. To anyone who wants to enter this field, my advice is simple. Don't assume you need connections to begin. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Work on yourself, be professional, be patient, and stay consistent. And use your Instagram ID as your portfolio. Keep posting what you are and keep posting for what you want to be. Because opportunities may not come overnight, but every small step is counted. Looking back, the journey wasn't easy, but taking a step forward for yourself was the game changer in my life. There were sacrifices, there were struggles. See, when I was in college, I was having time for my college and the shoots, that's it. I wasn't able to give much time as I wanted to give as a friend, and I lost few friends too, but that was the sacrifice I made to make my life more better. There were also incredible experiences. You will meet a lot of good people, a lot of bad people. You will learn how the world is outside your house, and this is something which gives you a whole lot of exposure, not in just this industry but as a whole entire life. You will have so many lessons in your life that you will be always grateful for. So basically, the requirement to enter in this field is courage, confidence, and people beside you who believe in you, even when you are still figuring out things. For me, those were my parents. And for that, I'll be always thankful. I hope this video brought some courage to take a step forward for your dreams. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.